In 3, 2, 1. Called you on the phone today just to ask you how you were. All I did was speak normally. Somehow I still struck a nerve. You got me messed up in the head, boy. Never doubted myself so much. Like, am I pretty, am I fun, boy? Hate that I give you the power over that kind of stuff. 'Cause always one step forward and 3 steps back. I'm the love of your life until I make you mad. And it's always 1 step forward and 3 steps back. And do you love me, want me, hate me? Boy, I don't understand. And no, I don't understand. And maybe in some masochistic way, kind of find it all exciting. Like, which lover will I get today? Will you walk me to the door or send me home crying? It's 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I'm the love of your life until I make you mad. And it's always 1 step forward and 3 steps back. And do you love me, want me, hate me? Boy, I don't understand. And no, it's back and forth. Did I say something wrong? And it's back and forth, going over everything I said. It's back and forth. Did I do something wrong? And it's back and forth. Maybe this is all your fault. Instead, it's 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I'd leave you, but the roller coaster's all I ever had. Yeah, it's 1 step forward and 3 steps back. And do you love me, want me, hate me? Boy, I don't understand. And no, I don't understand. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently hit that subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for joining the best Uke fam on here. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Donor Ukulele. This is the concert size uke, mahogany uke that they sent me. They also sponsored this video, so make sure to show them some love. Also, again, if you are in the market for an affordable concert size mahogany uke, Donor Ukulele will have you. They literally have you. They got you. They said, you know what? We're going to make an affordable concert size uke and we're going to make it sound amazing too. It also does come with a bunch of uke accessories, and also, you guys know I love a good gig bag, and they came with a gig bag, super padded. Y'all know I've been watching this channel for a while. I love my padded things, aka me as well. We are hashtag padded. But again, thank you so much for Donor Ukulele for sending me this uke, and again, being amazing and sponsoring this video. I'll leave a link in the description below for this exact uke. Also, for Amazon Prime Day 2021, they are running a special, which is 20% off their already insanely affordable price of $65. So you do the math. I'll put it on screen just if you want to know the math, but I don't know the math off by heart. I'm not a mathematician. I'm a musician. There's a difference. Anyways, thank you so much. Again, link in the description below for this uke. Also, link to their website where you can check out all their other ukes. Highly recommend them. And also, I have a full review video that you can check out. Leave in the top of the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And we're going to do a sign off, which I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.